Okay, time for some mental math. So it says evaluate. Means we want, the word evaluate means get a final answer that's a number. And we got 3 log 9 of 6 minus log 9 of 72. The first thing that we're going to notice here is that the individual logarithms that we have, like log 9 of 6, 9 to what power is 6, is not something that you can do easily in your head. It's not part of your powers chart for 9. Neither is log 9 of 72. 9 to what power is 72? Well, 9 squared is 81, so it's like 9 to the 1 point something, but not something that you can do in your head. But often here, if you use your log laws, you can put things together and you might get this into a form that you can evaluate. So we're going to see if that happens in this case. First of all, if I wanted to write this as a single logarithm, the first thing I would do is put that 3 in as an exponent. And now that I'm subtracting, okay? Now, you could multiply 6 cubed out. Maybe you know that it's 216 from your powers chart. But if I want to simplify this, I'm going to show you some mental math things that often it's better, instead of multiplying things out, it's better to factor things a little bit. So what I want to show you right now, as far as simplifying this, if I was simplifying this, I would keep this as 6 cubed. I would say on the bottom, can you see that the bottom is 2 times 36? And 36 is 6 times 6. So the bottom I can write as 2 times 6 squared. Can you see how this is helpful? Because my 6's are going to cancel out. And this is just going to be six over 2, which is 3. And this is something we can do mental math. What does log 9 of 3 mean? 9 to what power is 3? One half. Because the square root of 9 is 3. So 9 to 1 half is 3. So the answer to this is 1 half. And so we were able to evaluate that without our calculator. We didn't have to know that 6 cubed was 216. And we didn't have to know that 216 divided by 72 was 3, because we could simplify it easier before that. So those are some mental math strategies that you can use to help you figure out these. Scroll up, is that okay? Yes? Here's our second one. Again, I'm going to see if I can combine this to a single log. So this will be log 4 of 6 squared minus log 3 cubed plus log 4 of 12. The ones that are positive are going to go on the top of my fraction. The ones that are negative are going to go on the bottom of my fraction. And I'm missing the 4. Oh, here, thank you. Yes. And in order to use your log laws, if that 4 wasn't there, you wouldn't be allowed to combine them. Because you can only combine them using your log laws if the bases are the same. So those bases have to be the same in order for us to use those log laws. As far as simplifying this goes, can you see you have 6 times 12 over 3 times 3 times 3? Can you see that you could simplify a 6 and a 3 and get 2? Yes? And this 6 and this 3 and get 2? And this 12 and this 3 and get 4? So we're left with log base 4 of 2 times 4, which is 16.
Excuse the interruption, just a message to all staff. I ask that you please check your emails before 3:30.
So log 4 of 16. Definition of log. What does this mean? 4 to what power is 16? 2. And we've evaluated this. Okay, question number 13 is one you can do for practice.